In terms of our preparedness, we need to understand that we have earthquakes almost every day. They're always happening here in Jamaica, and there is nowhere on the island that you can go to escape an earthquake. So what persons need to bear in mind is that earthquakes can happen at any time. There is no season for earthquakes. It has nothing to do with the weather. It has nothing to do with the heat. It can just happen like that. Port Royal's earthquake was in July. The 1907 Kingston earthquake was in January. So there is no specific time of year.
There are innate capabilities that we train our health care workers and the team members that constitute the health system to be able to provide care. So part of what we do is to engage with the team members through regular and systematic training to ensure a constant level of awareness of the likelihood and threat that may be faced, the required skill sets to manage in what would be a very complex and confusing situation, the necessity to ensure that we can communicate at different levels and with different team members. And so we do regular training on a routine basis to manage mass casualty situations, which can easily overwhelm even our regular capabilities. And if necessary, we have to set up our medical care facilities outside of what would have been our normal healthcare facilities.
One of the key assets that we have is our disaster assistance response teams, what we call DART teams, that are prioritizing three priorities. Priority one being those that are ready and for immediate notice to move to assist in any disaster situation. That element is constituted by a number of different specialty areas: engineers, medicals, medical personnel, logisticians, etc. They are so equipped that they can be moved to anywhere in the island and be self-sufficient for a period of time in assisting ODPEM or the government of Jamaica in general with any disaster.
We would be required to ensure that the area or areas affected are properly cordoned and secured. We'd have to ensure that routes leading to and from our major hospitals are clear, or to provide information as to the clearest and safest routes to and from those hospitals, and ensure that they are maintained in a safe manner for the emergency units to respond. Assist the search and rescue in respect to ensuring that persons leave the building safely and go to a safe area away from the building. Ensure that those who would want to seize the opportunity to commit crimes, such as looting, don't get that opportunity,